Right, setting up the kit. The first thing you need to do to set this product up is as follows. First of all, you take your blue mat and you can see one side is slightly ridged and the other side is flush. Have the flush side facing down onto your operating table. Then take your Montreal mattress here. If you don't have a Montreal mattress and you've got pillows or D-rows, it's perfectly fine to put them on the top of this blue mattress. However, if you've got a fixed support system, such as a Wilson frame, then you won't actually need this blue mat because obviously it will be fixed to your operating table. But I will go into more depth later on with that. So we've laid the blue mat down. We're going to take our Montreal mattress and put it on top. And the next part is we're going to put our split slide sheets over the top of our support here. Okay. Now, the best way of doing this is fold it in half, and where you've got the open end, that would go towards the feet. The folded end goes towards the head. Okay, I'm going just to lie this on top. Turn that around. And on the mat, you have two cut-out holes. I'm just going to feed that through the hole here. And we're going to pull it quite taut so you can see you've got a lot of excess material. That's going to be a great help when the patient is prone to actually unfasten and take out. And I'm going to do the same with the strap at the bottom of the mat. Feed it through the hole and pull it nice and taut so you've got that excess. And the same with the other side. So you've got the folded end, which goes for the head. And just feed that through again. If you're thinking this might be a bit fiddly in theatres, the best way of doing it is you could set this up elsewhere, maybe in a corridor or a quieter room, because obviously you can pick up the system and bring it into theatre. It's going to feed the bottom strap through. So we've got the excess material out of the way, top and bottom, and that's the first process. The next stage is you just need to get one pad, take your disposable sheet here, and I'm going to place this inside the elasticated panel and just feed that through. The pads are quite waxy, so it slides very easily through there. Okay, we need now to align this up to our support system, in this case a Montreal mattress. This part the porters may well do, or obviously some of the theatre staff themselves. We need to position the white sheet onto our bed here. And the best way of doing it is, you've got your pillow, put that on top, and then the top of the white sheet will be level with the bottom of the pillow. Okay? And I'm going to put the pad so it hangs on the edge of the bed, like so. And what I'm looking for then is eventually these two trolleys will be pushed together and the top of this white sheet will be in level with the top of the blue mat, in other words, the top of your support system. So in the next part now, we're going to need a patient to get onto our white sheet here. Okay, thanks Sid. So what we need to do for the patient is, the best way of positioning them onto this sheet is, first of all, they need to be as close as possible to the edge. Okay? And then the second thing, before they lie down, we need to ensure that the shoulders are covered by the white sheet. So it's just the head on the pillow section. So we're just going to try that. If you'd like to lie back a second. So there, our patient's slightly high up. So we're going to bring him down. That's wonderful. Just move down a fraction. That's great. And just checking here, you're just going to take the sheet and you can see he's wrapped up fine there. And then we can take his right hand and just tuck it underneath the leg like so. And that's the first position.